Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rifqi Fadhilah from KWI class. Today I will explain about matrix inversion. First, this six subbab I will explain about matrix inversion. First is cofactor, 2 determinant, 3 identity matrix, 4 inverse matrix, 5 singular matrix and non-singular matrix, 6 is square matrix. Let's go to the first chapter. First, we get cofactor matrix. The cofactor matrix of a square matrix M is noted by cof M. For each item in the matrix, compute the determinant of the submatrix Sm associated. The determinant is noted that Sm or Sm and is also called minor. To calculate coefficient of M, multiply its minor by a minus 1 factor according to the position of the matrix. Is the of the cofactor matrix, and calculation of 2 times 2 cofactor matrix is M equals A, B, C, and D, and become a cof M equals D minus C minus B and A. Example: if M is 1, 3, and 2, 4, cof M becomes 4 minus 2 and then minus 3 and 1. Calculation of 3 times cofactor matrix is the same like the 2 times 2 cofactor matrix, and if M is ADG and BAH and CFI, become a cof M is plus EFHI minus BCHI and plus BCAF, and become this, and like this picture. And 2 is determinant. The determinant of matrix is a scalar number obtained from the elements of matrix by specific operation with its characteristics of the matrix. Determinants are definite only for square matrix. Is denoted by determinant A or that like this for a square matrix A. Determinant of the 2 times 2 matrix is like this, and is given by that A equals determinant A equals this and equals A 11, A22, and A12 and A21. Example: if A 3 minus 2 1 3, find A. And this is the solution of the example. You can see the example here, and we get the erased first. Okay, this is the note of the determinant. And third, we get the identity of matrix or unit matrix. A scalar matrix in which its a diagonal element is one unity is called unit matrix. An identity matrix of order n is denoted by En. Thus, E2 equals 1 0 0 1 and E3 is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 are the identity matrix of order 2 and 3. In general, A is become like this, and is an identity matrix if and only if A yg equals 0 for E not equals to J, and A yg equals 1 for I equals to the G. Note, if a matrix and identity matrix I are comfortable multiplication, then I has to probability that for matrix multiplication. And then we get the inverse matrix. If A is not singular and recursive matrix, then A come like this. For example, and this is another example. Example 10. Find the inversion of if it exists of the matrix. And this is the answer of the example. You can see it by yourself and study from it. And next we get the singular matrix and non-singular matrix. Square matrix A is called singular if A equals to 0 and is non-singular if A not equals to 0. For example, if A 3, 9 and 2, 6, then determine A equals 0, hence A is singular. And if A 3 minus 1, 1 and 1, 3, 0, 6, 2, 0, then A not equals to 0, hence A is non-singular. Example, find K if A, K minus 2, 5, 1, K plus 2 is singular. Solution is like this. K minus 1 and is the answer. Next is square matrix. A matrix A having same numbers of row and column is called a square matrix. A matrix A of order m times n can be written as A m x n if m equals n. Then the matrix is said to be a square matrix. A square matrix of order n times n is simply written as n. Thus 2, 1, 5, 3 is order of square matrix 2 and A, D, G, B, A, H, and C, F, I. This is a square matrix order 3 and this square matrix order of 2. And that's all from me. I hope you understand what I say, and thank you for watching, and thank you so much, and bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.